If you've ever wished for some peace from constant pop-up notifications in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through turning off notifications in Google Chrome on your Windows computer. By the end of this video, you'll be free from those distracting browser alerts. So let's get started. First things first, let's open up your Google Chrome browser. Just head down to your taskbar or Start menu, find the Chrome icon, and give it a click. If you have a lot of tabs or windows open, that's totally okay. You can make these changes regardless of what else you have going on in Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the very top right corner of your window. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click on those dots. That's your gateway to Chrome's main options. After clicking, a drop-down will appear. From here, choose Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the menu, so if you don't see it instantly, just a brief scroll will do the trick. The Settings tab will appear, and this is where you have control over how Chrome interacts with sites and data. Now, take a moment to find the Privacy and Security section on the left sidebar. If you're on a smaller screen, this might be collapsed, but you can always expand it by clicking the icon with 3 horizontal bars at the very upper left. Privacy and Security is the place where Chrome keeps all its most important safety and personal settings, so it's good to know your way around here. Next, under Privacy and Security, you'll spot something called Site Settings. Give that a click. Site settings allow you to manage what information websites can access and how they can interact with you. Think of this area as the control center for website permissions, everything from camera access to pop-ups to, of course, notifications. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. This is the key area for today's video. Notifications are those little messages that appear when a site wants to alert you about something new. Sometimes it's helpful, but more often, it's just clutter. Click into Notifications and you'll see a few options. What we're looking for is the setting that says, Don't allow sites to send notifications. Select this option. By toggling this setting, you're telling Chrome to block all websites from sending those pop-up alerts. If you have specific sites you still want notifications from, you can leave them on the list, but for total quiet, this global block is the way to go. Feel free to take your time here. You don't have to rush. Double-check that the main toggle has switched to Don't Allow. And if you ever change your mind in the future, you can always come back to this menu and tweak your settings. And that's all there is to it. You've just turned off notifications in Google Chrome, which should give you a much smoother and distraction-free browsing experience. Enjoy your digital peace and quiet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. I read everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.